Guys, welcome back to another Flash Vertical Velocity construction update, and it is opening day here at Six Flags Great Adventure. We're going to get to go back in and see how much progress they've made. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Thrills. Alright guys, I think to start we're going to head back to El Toro. Let's go. While we're over there, this is the new Dream Street pathway, guys. I don't know if they're going to start etching our names into these bricks or what, but it should be really exciting. We got new shops opening. Well, one new shop. But yeah. Looking amazing. First coaster of the 2024 season there on El Toro. Great to get back on that ride. I really missed it. And yeah, let's head to Flash. You can see the entrance to Metropolis is all boarded up here. You can see a lot of footer work being done. They're starting to extend more down here. So very exciting. Look, there's one right here. There's a big one right here. Yeah, very exciting. I think this is going to be the turnaround heading up into the spike. So, should be exciting to see. So, unfortunately today the Giant Wheel and the Sky Ride are both closed. So we won't be able to go high up and get a bird's eye perspective. But we'll still be able to get pretty close to it. So currently no track segments yet, but supposedly they're in storage over by Nitro. So we'll go check that out a little bit later. Picked up my new drink ball for this year. This one is actually really nice because they brought the, it's not really a sippy cup, it has like a straw now. Kind of what they used to have before I went to Six Flags. But yeah, it's nice to see. Yeah, food lines today are pretty long. That's typical of opening day. It's opening day. I do plan on being here tomorrow, if I can. But you know, it's opening day. So here's just an idea of how the Flash Plaza looks like. Arboretum along, and we'll be moved over there. There's some more digging over there behind Cyborg. So here we are down by Batman the Ride. You can see all the track pieces, as well as I do believe there should be a couple supports over there. We're gonna head over to Nitro after this, so hopefully we get a more closer look. Another twisty piece is probably for the 0G roll. first we're gonna head over to Jersey Devil because that is a 20-minute wait, and then we're gonna head to Nitro. All right, let's go. Track over there. So the wrap pieces you see over there are actually sections of launch track. They're pretty cool.
Nitro is locked in check. Visual scan is complete. All clear, all clear. Means you're out of here. Goodbye. Enjoy your ride. You want me to wait until the train comes back or switch him out now? Wait for it to come back.
Wait, you can stay home and I'll go to Florida. You can stay home with Emily.
I'll go to her ex's family's house. They're gonna use her really
Yeah, her ex-husband's family. But they love her.
Wait, why didn't you just invite her to Miami? Because she's so much fun there.
Yeah, and she loves staying out late. If she doesn't like going to the hotel room.
I will tell you, Nitro gives excellent views of the flash track sitting right there. And one more look down here. And well guys, that's going to do it from this week's Flash Vertical Velocity Construction Update. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's great to be back here at Six Flags Great Adventure, and it's great to see them making progress on this thing. The track looks amazing, and I really can't wait to see this coaster and the entire area and the rest of the fun things that Great Adventure has planned for their 50th anniversary come together. It's really just going to be a really great season, and I'm looking very much forward to that. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button, as anytime there's something going down here at Six Flags Great Adventure, especially for Flash Vertical Velocity, I will be sure to update you guys on it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.